Unexpected downtime costs valuable production. Introducing Teknovara, an intelligent CMMS. Achieve operational excellence. Request a free demo. Manual maintenance processes often result in unexpected production losses. Introducing Teknovara Machine Maintenance Management System, an intelligent enterprise CMMS built to transform maintenance. Monitor every machine from a centralized dashboard. Track machine health, maintenance schedules, work orders, spare parts, and critical performance indicators in real time. Connect directly with PLCs and industrial IoT devices. Monitor live machine data. Detect potential failures before they happen. Connect directly with PLCs. Automate your maintenance workflow. Every process becomes faster, smarter, and completely paperless. Powerful analytics help management reduce downtime, improve equipment reliability, optimize maintenance costs, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Whether you manage 10 machines or thousands across multiple plants, Teknovara CMMS helps you maximize uptime, increase productivity, and achieve operational excellence. Transform your maintenance operations with Teknovara CMMS. Smart maintenance, maximum uptime, Industry 4.0 ready. Request a free demo.